The Views at Bridgewater is a beautiful, established community in Dallastown, Pennsylvania. It surrounds the Bridgewater Golf Club, including a golf course, driving range, and Bridgewater Public House, while backing 62 acres of open space. Our current phase offers some of our most amazing home sites up to 1/3 of an acre in size and customizable floor plans. The Hawthorne Cottage model home in the community includes spacious indoor and outdoor living and upgraded design and structural features. Bridgewater is located just minutes off I-83 and Route 30, making commutes across the Pennsylvania and Maryland border seamless. Everything that East York has to offer is right at your fingertips, including the highly ranked Dallastown schools that service the community. Building with Keystone Custom Homes allows our buyers the ability to personalize their home to really make it their own. If you're looking for ideally located home sites and some of our most popular floor plans in the Dallastown market, the Views at Bridgewater has everything you're looking for. Get started on your new home journey today at the Views at Bridgewater.